Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, it's a nice day outside the bear's den, so we're going to head outside. We're going to cook some stuff up on the grill. I've got a couple of venison patties, I guess. I was going to say hamburger patties, but it's made with venison. Got a couple regular patties, and we're going to grill up some steak fries. Just seasoned with a little bit of seasoned salt. I don't use a lot of salt usually, but when I'm grilling these steak fries up, I like to put the seasoned salt on them. So let's head outside to the grill and we'll show you what all we got cooking here. Alright y'all, here's the steak fries. I just took a couple medium-sized potatoes, chopped them up, and added some seasoned salt, a little garlic powder, onion powder, pepper to them. Did spray them down with a little bit of olive oil to get the stuff to stick. I got those cooking over there. And then over here we got 3 beef patties and then a couple of the venison patties. So gotta let them cook up, and I've got salt and pepper, or not salt, but pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder all on those. Gonna close the lid now and let them cook up. So we'll bring you back here in just a couple. Alright y'all, wouldn't you know it, it started spitting a little bit of rain, so I'm probably going to take the camera in the house because I don't want to get the camera all soaking wet, but you know, start grilling and it starts raining. So, but there's the potatoes. They're coming along nicely. You know, we got our beef and venison patties over here. They're coming along. If the rain holds off, I'll keep updating you on how they're coming along. Show you what's going on with the process here. If it does start raining a little more, I will finish this in the house, so, or in the den. So, all right, we'll shut this down and bring you back in a little bit. I was going to use the old charcoal grill, but that's why, you know, it started looking like it was going to rain. But you know, it takes too long to get that thing warmed up. I love to cook on charcoal, but I don't like the time. But I think I need to cut my shrubs. They're getting like a little bit out of hand. So, but we'll get them trimmed back. But here's my smoker. Let y'all see that. That's a wood-fired smoker. And of course the old charbroil grill. So still haven't got the pool open yet, but we will. Yeah, still a little bit early in the season yet, but anyways, we got some smoke showing, so the rain's starting to come a little more. If you guys can see that, see the spots coming down. So I'm gonna get this camera in the house before it gets wet, and we'll continue grilling. All right, y'all. As you can see, the taters are done. I got them up on the top shelf there. Burgers and juices are running nice and clear, so I went ahead and threw some cheese on the ones I'm going to eat tonight. And that's 1 venison burger and 2 regular steak burgers. So there we go. I'm going to shut the lid, let this cheese melt, and then we'll head in the house and plate it up and have some dinner. Alright, y'all, as you can see, I got the good china out tonight. Barbecuing, just use paper plates. Best way to do it. So, but we got our seasoned steak fries over here from the grill. Got our 1 beef patty, 1 venison patty, American cheese on one, Swiss on the other. I'm gonna throw a little bit of dill mustard on here because I like my dill mustard. If you guys haven't tried that, you need to pick yourself up some. So there you have it. That's what's dinner tonight. Alright y'all, that'll do it for this evening. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what I was cooking tonight. I know it's just a little quick one here, and sorry about the shakiness. I'm doing this freehand today. Had them venison and beef patties on the grill there with them seasoned grilled steak fries. Awesome. No bun tonight. Cutting down on the white bread and stuff like that. Try a little bit, but yeah. Thank you all for stopping by and checking it out. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave me a nice comment down there. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and get the notifications. Well, you have to ring the bell to get all the notifications, everything I do, whether it be the cooking, the small engine stuff, the big engine mechanical stuff, you know, daily life stuff, you know. I film everything, you know. My channel's not just, you know, one thing or another. Got a little bit of something for everybody, so appreciate it. Y'all, thanks for watching. If you weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. And bon appetit. Bye.